Hello, in front of me I've got Pair Beoplay Portal. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with your smartphone and go to Pair Beoplay app. Allow. And now sign in or create an account. Allow. Tap plus in the top right corner and select your headphones. Confirm. Double tap the logo to confirm. Select product color. Select name. Tap done. And it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.